In this short video, we are going to introduce groupings via column so that each department has its own row, if column if possible. Just close this, click on bands, click on group header. Okay, now here we want everything to be clubbed by department name. Click on this, click on keep group together, click OK, take it to the top. Over here you can simply take department name, drag it on top, let's do a small underline on it as well, click save, and if you preview this you will see that each of the departments has its own column. For something like finance where they have multiple people, it has automatically started a new column, and it is smart enough that if a new row can fit, it can start like it did with IT over here. Hope this helps. Thank you.